A good fitting partial starts with a proper survey. This model that you see in front of you is the scan from our master stone. Just like in traditional partial design, we're going to start with surveying this model. I'm going to select the survey tool, and now we're in survey mode. I can very easily change the orientation of this model just by clicking my hotkeys. I'm going to zoom the model in, and now you see two views in front of you. This larger view is showing me one side of the model, while the smaller view is showing me the opposite side of this model. This is useful because as I'm surveying, I could see both sides of this model at the same time. I'm going to open the settings menu, and now I know how deep my undercuts are. I know that red is the deepest part of my undercut, blue means no undercuts, and green and yellow are in between. I'm going to grab one side of this model and I'm going to tilt it down. And you can see the undercut colors change. I'm going to tilt it back up and you can see the colors change again. Once you're satisfied with your path of insertion, with a click of a button, we'll add the blockout wax. We also have the ability to change the draft angle. Currently I have it preset to 0 degrees, but you can make it 1, 2, 3, 4 degrees and so on. It's completely at your control. The blockout wax will be added to everything that you see in red, yellow, and green, and it will also create the base for this model as well. As you can see, this step only took about a minute. If we compare this to traditional way, the survey and blockout step would probably take you around 20 minutes to complete. Let me also mention that there's no need to duplicate this model, and then there's no need to pour a refractory model. Everything is done off of the original stone from the master scan. I'm going to zoom this model in, and as I'm touching this wax, and I'm going to make my tool a little larger, I can carve this wax away. Now I can actually feel the resistance from this wax as I'm carving it away. I'm going to move to the molar and repeat the same step.